If you're into dropshipping, you've probably heard the names AutoDS and dropship.io everywhere. But the real question is, which one is worth your money? In this video, I'll break down what each platform does, their pros and cons, pricing, and finally tell you which one you should choose based on your business needs. Stay with me till the end because the conclusion might surprise you. Let's get started. Most people compare AutoDS and dropship.io as if they were the same thing, but they serve different purposes. Think of dropship.io as your product research weapon, while AutoDS is your automation machine that manages your store operations. One helps you find winning products, the other helps you sell and scale them. AutoDS overview. AutoDS is a complete dropshipping automation platform. It works with Shopify, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, Etsy, and TikTok Shop. If you're serious about scaling, AutoDS can automate almost every task, from product imports to order fulfillment and customer management. Some standout features include integration with top suppliers like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Amazon, Temu, and more hourly price and stock monitoring so your listings never go out of sync, bulk product importing to save time. AI product descriptions and titles, automatic order fulfillment. Plus, a new feature, AI, store creation pros of AutoDS. Great for automating your entire business, supports multiple marketplaces, perfect for scaling. Cons of AutoDS can feel overwhelming for beginners, product research. Tool costs, extra higher learning curve. Dropship.io. Overview. Dropship.io is not an automation tool. It focuses exclusively on product research, and it does that extremely well. If you're struggling to find winning products, this tool will help you spot what's trending before everyone else jumps on it. Its best features include large trending product database, ad spy tools to see what's selling through ads, competitor analysis store, tracking to spy on other Shopify stores, import to Shopify or WooCommerce. Weekly winning product suggestions, pros of dropship.io. Beginner friendly, accurate and real-time product data makes product validation easy. Cons of dropship.io. No automation, no order fulfillment. You still need another tool to run your store. Pricing. Dropship.io starts at $39 per month with a 7-day free trial. AutoDS starts at $26.90 per month for Shopify plans. But if you want product research, that's an extra $14.97 per month. Which is better? If your goal is finding winning products quickly, go with dropship.io. If you want full automation and scaling, then AutoDS is the better choice. But honestly, the best strategy is to use both. Dropship.io to find products and AutoDS to automate everything from importing to fulfillment. That combination can save time, reduce stress, and boost your profit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.